Hi Aquarius, so gawin na natin ang inyong love reading sa buwan ng February 2024 for whoever will resonate on this collective Aquarius, okay? So kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha at ika-clarify natin sila para makuha natin yung exact narrative, no, ng love spread for whoever will resonate sa reading mo Aquarius ngayong buwan ng February. Okay? Let's see. Yung baraha. Alright, so shuffle lang natin for some reason. Parang feeling ko i-shuffle ko daw dapat. Okay. First card, Aquarius, meron tayong Yang energy. And then, second card, meron kang Milk and Honey. Third card, Mending. Okay. Fourth card, Loyal Heart, Aquarius. And at the center, meron tayong Goaded. At last card nyo, meron tayong Goaded Distance. Alright. So, tingnan muna natin yung mga main cards nyo, no? So, either may breakup, separation, in no contact, or hindi kayo nagre-reconcile ngayon ng taong to, no? May fights or disagreement, misunderstanding. Pareho nagkakakita. Nandiyan ang mending. Okay? So, I feel like tong panahon na to ng February, kinagamit nyo pa yung time na yan para mag-heal, no? But, I don't think may mag-move on, okay? Kasi nandiyan yung loyal heart. So, may strong soul connection kayo ng person na you are connecting with, Aquarius, okay? I do see na may potential na mag-reconcile to kasi may yang energy. Para sa akin, ito ay beginning, Ace of Wands. Kasi fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, doesn't matter, oracle card to, yang. Okay, so may card dito na yin sa Wisdom of the Oracle, yin and yang, partner siya. So, divine masculine energy, kung naniniwala kayo doon. Or it's just that, yung isang sa connection na to, okay, isa sa mga mag-soulmates dito, ang ibig ko sabihin is that interesado pang buhayin tong connection na to. Okay, or i-save. Okay, so may mag-e-effort dito, no? Go the distances. Ikaw yan o yung person mo. And, I think, no, kung i-consider yung reconciliation dito, may possibility na mag-grow pa to, okay? Kasi, pot at the end of the rainbow, milk and honey. So, yung connection na to, importante sa isa't isa, okay? Yun ang nararamdaman ko dito sa 5 cards na to. Ngayon, i-clarify natin isa-isa. Okay? Clarify natin isa-isa to para sa ating collective Aquarius. Clarify lang natin. Isa-isa para sa collective Aquarius. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, ang yang mo, kinlarify ng fates. Okay. Milk and honey, co-create. Mending mo, may all that glitters. Ang loyal heart, may why. And then, no place like home. Okay, yan ang mga clarifier. So, sinabi ko maaring magkaroon ng ignite or spark. Okay? Feel ko kasi is existing connection to or past connection, no? Nakatadhana, the fates ko. Kung fated, no? Written in the star, naka-align na yan sa universe, mangyayari to. Okay? For whoever will resonate with this. Ngayon, yung milk and honey, sinasabi ko, may potential talagang mag-grow to into something na special, okay? Na abundant yung connection mo sa kanya, maaring mas grounded, mas magkaroon ng commitment. Kasi, ang mangyayari dito, may possibility na may give and take na co-create, no? Sa parehas kayo gustong i-rebuild or i-build to. Once again, kasi feeling ko kasi it's a reconnection. Okay? Ngayon, yung sa reconciliation nyo, Aquarius, ang nangangailangan kasi dyan, para maging successful tong reconnection mo sa kanya. Yung all that glitters dito, sometimes you have to see things for what it is, diba? O yung something, lahat ng magagandang aspect ng relationship, titingnan mo. But at the same time, you have to look beyond yung kung ano yung external sa connection na to. Kung ano yung pleasing sa'yo, you have to look beyond that. Tingnan mo yung value ng connection na to. O bakit kayo nagre-reconcile ng tao na to, or magbabate, or magre-reconnect ulit. Kailangan may something of value sa reconciliation mo, or reconnection mo sa kanya. Okay? Kung sino man ang gustong makipagbate. Sa loyal heart na to, either kayong dalawa, minsan kino-question nyo, no? Bakit ba strongly attached ako sa taong to? Bakit in love pa rin ako sa taong to? Bakit may nararamdaman ako? Bakit continue ako? Bakit hindi ko makalimutan? It's because malakas ang attachment emotionally. Loyal heart. Mutual to. Okay, hindi na may mag-effort dito. Kasi nga, feel ko lang na, I feel like, belong siya sa'yo and belong ka sa kanya, no? Na maaaring mag-make ng effort to para makita ka, like long distance relationship to. No place like home to see you, may travel na involved, or may effort na makita ka. Kasi, kung mag-effort kasi yan, doon mo mahusgahan na interesado yung tao, no? Na they feel strongly, no place like home, na parang hindi nila makita o naramdaman to sa ibang na connection nila in the past. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, so for February 2024 man namang parang energy din to ng love month kasi yung nadadala niya. Kaya, I feel strongly na baka may magbalik or magparamdam. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa love reading nyo, Aquarius. I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Aquarius. Bye!